Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Today we're going to discuss the Edger Dolly. You know, the Edger Dolly is going to be the Edger mechanic's best friend. I mean, it's going to be a back saver. And the unit has comfortable pads. We have a wide base, so you're not going to have to worry about tilting, particularly on the forward position when you lean over and have your chest on the chest pad there. You have enough wide base to keep this thing stable. We have a tool tray to keep our wrench and some extra sandpaper. You know, if you normally toss your sandpaper along the floor so that you're changing it as you go, you can actually just throw your paper in the tool tray, and also your edger wrench. There are hooks for this that you can hang it up in your van, so it's kind of in the air as opposed to taking space up in the floor of your van. It is fully adjustable. So as far as our widths, we have a thumb screw here that if we loosen, we can adjust and widen the unit. And again, that's going to be wherever you want it to fall on your chest. And again, it's all about comfort. And also for height. So for changing the height of the seat, we just pull our little pin here. And there's 6 positions to adjust this for height. And again, it's all about your personal comfort level. You know, the unit is made from tube steel. Looks like 1-inch tube steel, and manufactured in the United States. It is powder coated. We've got non-marking wheels. So just a really well thought out design. We have a cord hook here to keep the cord obviously out of the way of the wheels traveling. All right, so we have the Edger with the bag on it, and you can tell with the wide base that gives you not only support, but it also incorporates the space for the bag. So we'll get on this. I've adjusted this for my height, what's comfortable for me, and widened it so that it's comfortable where I want it on my chest. It gives me good pressure for moving the edger side to side and back and forth. So we have the Galaxy Elite Edger. You know, great dust pickup on this edger, good lighting system, dual speed, and belt driven. Good, you know, so it's good and quiet. But yeah, so we'll give it a try. Wow, it's really comfortable. You know, somebody that's been edging for most of their career as a mechanic, you know, this is something that would be really, really comfortable. Let them extend their day and hopefully not go home as tired. All right, so we have the flip unit in front of the Edger Dolly right now, and the flip can be bag or vacuum hose hookup. Here we have an 1.5-inch hose hooked up, and the cord, and you can see both are retained in the cord hook, will stay out of the way. The attachment that's on the flip is typically a radiator attachment. Comes with a shorter nose, but again, we have it hooked up to the vacuum hose, and then we'll give this a run. So the Flip unit is also a belt-driven unit. You know, I say that as compared to other units, the traditional Edgers that are gear-driven. So a little quieter, really good dust pickup with the vacuum. Actually, even good dust pickup with a bag. The Flip bag is, you can see that big. This bag is designed to stop all fine dust from getting through, and that is serious dust, a dustless bag. And this size bag with this holder will fit underneath that Edger Dolly and inside that wheel frame. So the Edger Dolly was designed for multiple units to be used within it. So as you can see, the Edger Dolly, very versatile unit. You know, essentially an Edger Mechanics back saver. It's going to help with your lower legs. It's going to help with your upper body. So let's take the pain out of edging with the Edger Dolly. Well-designed unit, made in the USA. And if you'd like more information on the Edger Dolly, go to cityfloorsupply.com or give us a call at 800-737-1786.